traces, see if we can do it. It's really cold today, and FYI, I bought a new camera, so you're not going to have to put up with that scratching the lens for much longer. It's coming tomorrow, so next week back to normal. So today we are out with Tracy, Suzanne, Billy, Tracy's giving away, Paul, Steve, Alistair. Daniel's behind me, he's just filming for his video. He's already in a pole. Not sure who else is coming today. Wait, there's a cold one. Right, let's get cracking. Here we go, it's like cold, there's ice on the rope already. Ooh. That cardboard fencing. I'm still on it to get it off, but handle broke. So, a vessel with Wikipedia's. It's full of a fire. Also, mine when I pulled it out, it looked a bit similar to the one that I had going up, but mine was like spikes at the top. Fire, not bad. Found Tracy's jumper. I'm taking camera off now, save my battery and I'll put it back on in a bit if I get something really interesting. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's snowing. New style. Beanie on a cat. It's too cold. My fingers are stinging. So we're going to carry on, see if there's anything else we can get.
pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose? 'Cause I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do. If you gave me one more sign, I could find a way to break through, a way to break through. Ooh, 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 a way to break through.
On this part it's got 625 line hold, UHF con, frame hold, 405 line hold, VHF con. Whatever it was, it's just absolutely motherboard though anyway. I'll show pace. I've got a motor. I don't know. Well, everyone is going down there on the bridge. I think I'm going to go on the bridge for a little bit. cold out here now. So I'm going to pack up a magnet, I'm going to grab Dan's hook. Let's get down there. All the scrap, we're going to come back at the end of the day, so we're leaving it on the grass for now. Then we're going to come back at the end of the day, pick it all up. Hopefully some of the snow might have melted by then. It's going to be a couple of hours before we finish, I think. So yeah, just trying to go and get a little bit warm under the bridge because it's really cold. Well, it's been nice magnet fishing in the snow anyway. I don't think I've been magnet fishing in the snow before. It's been nice. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. I'm sorry, I know it's lopsided. I do apologise, I'm eating a mint. So that's just done for today. We're going. We was outside, well, we're outside, but we're out in the open before. Came under the bridge to get a bit of shelter from the snow because it was getting a bit too cold. So I've got a couple of pictures, so I'm going to put them up here. That's what it's been like today. It's been, yeah, I love the smell, it's been beautiful. I bet it smells beautiful. So, Alice is gone. No kiddie winks today. Paul is just sorting some stuff out. Tracy and Alan are on the way out now. Going packing up their car and they're going. Steve's gone. But yeah, it's been another great day. I had to pack it in about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. Something like that. I'm in too much pain. My back's killing me, so I really do need to take a leaf out of John's book and buy one of those gilets that have deheating elements in it to keep you warm. I think that is really going to help me. But yeah, I will leave a link for the heated gilet in the description box for you, so you can go to Amazon, check it out if you are doing magnet fishing or bottle digging, metal detecting. It will keep you a little bit warm. But yeah, thanks guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully next weekend I'll be out filming. Alright guys, take care, stay safe in this cold weather, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! And don't forget, Magnet Store, Slack, so you get 10% off your 10% discount off your entire order. Bye!